We're still bullish. I don't buy any of this move down. I don't buy any of it. I'm gonna follow my rules. I have to be done after one loss. It sucks, but I'm gonna follow my rules. So now I'm gonna be paper trading. I don't think we're bearish, dude. Macro should expand us. You know, it's a trade like that I'm like honestly okay with that losing. I think obviously there wasn't a clear internal sweep, but the reality is we took those equal lows and we were going into the macro. That's enough for me to say I think that should still work. So I took it. So honestly though, the thing is we're gonna still go up. What's the 4 hour saying? It wants to inverse this, but I don't think it's bearish, dude. I don't know though. I think it's gonna hold this. Even if this 4 hour inverses, I'm still bullish. We're gonna get an outside bar here. Okay, so I'm gonna enter longs on this outside bar. Oh, I can't. I gotta switch over. Once again, I take lots of different trades on sim, so we did not get the outside bar like I wanted. I don't really care that the 4 hour is inversing to the downside. It's just, it doesn't, it's not, I still don't think it's bearish. I think it's IOFEDing the bottom gap. Any longs I get, I'm a hold. I'm a hold for the entire day. We have a 5-minute BPR. 5-minute BPR here, 30-second change in state. Run this up here. This is gonna deliver. I'm gonna enter 2 cons here just to start out, like a little starter position, and then I'm gonna probably Kufu stack. We might actually need to get something more obvious than that. Just hang on. Okay, this should be. So yeah, 5-minute BPR. Going into 10 a.m. here. I think this is a micro 2022 model. Okay. We get a good closure, I'm in. The starter position at least. Actually, this isn't that great. We'll see if we get an outside bar. Where's the true open? The new true open? Let me get out that doc. The new true open should be 950.37. Here we go. Let's see if we get a 10 a.m. reversal. Man, it's not bearish. I don't believe it. I refuse to believe this is bearish. I think 10 a.m. is going to reverse. Yeah. Okay, here's the starter position if this closes. It might just start reversing right at 10. Did not really close. What the heck? There we go. Maybe we enter on a 15-second change in state here. Yeah, I'm going to enter on this 15-second. Actually not yet. Let's wait for the 30-second. My gosh. 30-second closure is bad too. The 4 hour probably inverse the downside. That's my guess. All right. Dude, this is so unfortunate. I know we're going to go high. I have really strong conviction we're going to go higher. Really strong conviction. But I don't know. I just have to be content with the loss. Honestly, this will probably be Phoenix. Whoa, lots and lots of orders here. So I'm expecting this to be kind of like a Phoenix model. Still bullish. Here we go. We did not get it. Are you serious? Should reverse. Yeah, once again, I think this is a Phoenix model right here. Maybe I should be taking the Phoenix. There's no obvious change in state now. This is dumb. Might just try this as Phoenix model, honestly.
Order filled.
Just trying it, you know. honestly, guys, I'm just gonna be hodling because we should go all the way to previous month's high. We really should. I might hodl the previous month's high, honestly, which is 20R. It's actually acting. It's a Spoo's opening range trade. Actually, it's a Spoo's opening range. You guys remember this? Um, we have the. Well, never mind.
Stop field.
Still probably is. Dude, what? Okay, I gotta write that down. I don't know. I thought that was okay. Okay. Where's my sticky notes? Bro, sticky notes, come on. I just put them in here. I'll find them later. I'm just gonna use this one. So I think this is a Venom model on the 5-second. It was. I was gonna take that. I had to find the sticky note. I was gonna take this. Oh, never mind. Wow, man, I still think we're bullish. Dude. Yeah, I might try this one. Nah, bro. Let me just clean up the chart real quick. Let me put the date on here. wasn't paying attention for like 30 seconds. It might be high resistant. Let's see. So this is a 5-minute BPR and possibly 30-second change in state. Is it really? Are you joking? I'm actually really shocked. This might be Phoenix too, but bro, I keep getting cooked. Hey, that's not bad. It might be high resistant if we get the closure though. Oh, the 1 minute closed really nice. Nah, no it didn't. What am I saying? No it didn't. Actually, the 15-second inversion doesn't look bad. I can't believe I was so wrong about bias. It's upsetting. So there's midnight. So the 4-hour did inverse, huh? Bro, I'm still bullish. I don't trust it. I don't trust this 4-hour inversion. It's like, you don't take this on the low time. Like, if this was a 5-minute inversion, but we were pumping straight up, you wouldn't probably take this. I'm not going to take this on the 4-hour either. That's just me. Let me check my True Opens thing. Where's the next one? 10:13. Oh yeah, we just... Yeah, 10:13, right? That's right now. Okay. You know, I don't mind this. Bro, is it just gonna be high resistant? Maybe I should just switch my bias, dude. Because... No, I don't. I just don't think it's bearish. What am I looking at? What in the barcode? Like, this is just We also have this 5-minute gap. This is not that fun. Dude, my first strike worked the downside, and I would have maybe taken that if my bias was bearish. But it wasn't. Dude, I don't think this is going to be a good trade at all. What's happening? Let me turn this off. So if you're bearish, you could try this into the high resistant liquidity, like Phoenix short. Maybe this is decent RR, but I'm not gonna lie, I can't get it behind me to take shorts at all today. But it might play out. Why is the market broken? This could be Phoenix still. Lots of rejection blocks today. Chop fest. One-minute rejection block, 5-second inversion. Oh, I'm gonna try that.
Order filled.
I said, I just want to hodl all day. I just wanna hodl. Like I'm just, I just want to hold for all day, because I'm bullish. If we take this high, you could go break even, or you could go break even. Honestly, I don't know. It's up to you, I guess. Nice outside bar. Ooh. Hopefully that takes us up. Am I in two cons? Yeah. Okay, I just want to hodl this whole thing this all day. So. Finally. Could go break even, but the break even spot needs to be at the entry, which is, I got a little late entry, so that's the issue. So if you don't understand the trade I just took, 1 minute rejection block with SMT, and I have been bullish this whole time. I'm still bullish. And then we got a 5-second change in state. It might be bearish. If so, yeah, that would suck. But it doesn't really matter anyway. Yeah, this, okay. Classic mistake on my part. Yeah. I definitely messed up my initial trade. Not the initial, not this trade, but this one, this Phoenix. Because look, we want to see 10 a.m. low swept. Why? Because that is included in the SPOOs. So we want to see this low swept. So this once again, we got to see this low swept, and we didn't see that at the time. That was a mistake. Really? Stop loss should really be below the rejection block. But I'm not taking this as a rejection block trade, unfortunately. But I probably should be. We already used the midpoint of the rejection block, though. Honestly, I might just save this trade. I meant to take it as a Phoenix. Yeah. So I'm just going to call this Phoenix model, and I'm going to actually put the stop loss there. Because once again, I think this is where the stop loss should be. What on earth? Are you serious?
Stop field.
It might be Dark Phoenix. Like, souping the rejection block. Just got pin bar. I'm gonna re-enter on that pin bar.
Order filled. Stop field.
That's 3 losses on demo. I'm still bullish. It might not be until 11. We might not get a reversal till 11. My problem is I'm right about the higher time frame usually, but it's like the lower time frame can still do whatever it's gonna do, you know? And lower time frame chose to go lower here. This is gonna be fun. I wouldn't be surprised if that this might play out. We might just be going for Asia low. When is the volatility gonna come back? This is ridiculous. Okay, let's go in with this one. You don't really get it. Oh my gosh. Still could be Phoenix. What's the next true open? $10.35. Ooh, it's $10.35 right now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this is gonna be Phoenix model. Should I try this? So risky. There's no. This is honestly just making me mad. Wow. Really? There you go. I'm just gonna enter on the change and stay there.
Order
I
filled.
might have entered a little too late, but a 30-second change stayed. Yeah, 30-second change stayed there. Should be good, actually. Honestly. It might be more of a lower time frame trade, but it's all good. Like, I mean, we should probably go up to these highs. But yeah, just TP. I'm gonna TP with stop loss. So if we hit the end of here, then TP with stop loss. Right. It's also 2022 model. It's a fair value gap. Stop loss should really be at the low. Outside bar off of it. This is really kind of cool, actually. This is just tape read though. Then I would just target this booze high. we can go to the end dog. Where's the end dog? Oh my gosh. That would be crazy, bro. You think we'll go all the way to the new day opening gap? Should be this is a 2022 model though, isn't it? Hey, took any trades? Yeah, I'm trading on paper right now. I took a loss on my real account, and I've taken lots of losses on the demo account. So, oh my gosh, this is so
Stop
stupid.
filled.
Surely we're gonna go higher soon. It's still a 2022 model. Once stop loss needed to be at the low. That's the issue, right? Oh, it's gonna play out now. Maybe. Or it's just not, dude. Yeah, these conditions are absolute trash. I just I I just have a feeling we're gonna get a pump. We're just gonna get a crazy pump at some point. But it's not happening. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Man, there was first strike there to the downside. And you guys saw me say that, but this is still a 2022 model. We're souping the true open. I would think. Should be. Only one more trade left on this actually, because I accidentally risked more than 80. So technically this is 5 losses now. I guess I risked more than 80 on a couple of them, so I messed up. But I don't know. I was completely wrong about bias. That's for sure. So I guess at this point, this is accumulation. I have one more trade, and I think we're gonna go higher still. So I'm just gonna wait. I have one more trade on demo, and I still think we're gonna go higher. The ultimate barcode here. I have one more trade, and I still think we're gonna go higher. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I think it's gonna be 11 a.m. reversal. Oh, we just got a huge whale that market sold. 118 cons. That might be what was needed, honestly. We have Asia low here. Wow. I can honestly say I was not expecting this. I can honestly say I was not expecting this. Wow. We took Asia. We might get an inversion for value gap after taking Asia. That's, I mean, I don't know what else to say other than this is really ridiculous. I got basically one. I got one more trade. Dude, how does this happen? We really had no reversal. Okay, this is my last trade, bro. This actually doesn't look bad.
Order filled.
It's the last one. We have a 118 seller right here. So hopefully that can deliver us higher. It's going into the macro as well. Yeah, one trade left. Rip me, bro. Ugh. I swear. Come on. This is going into the macro. If this doesn't work, macros are broken, dude. Here's the 118 market seller. There's no more draws and liquidity to the downside. What the heck? Come on. Market does not wanna, what's the word? Today cooked. Did you cook? Did you take wins or did you get cooked? You took a win? Yeah. If you had short bias, you would have really got some nice trades. We got the first percent for value gap inversion, or first percent for value gap change in state. This would be a good trade. It's right at the macro. I got stopped out probably because of the daily loss limit. I guess not yet. Wow, market is not rewarding me at all for longing. This is also Venom model. It's gonna stop
Order
me out
filled.
because of the daily loss limit. Dude. Completely wrong bias. That's tough. I swear if we go up now, I'm gonna lose it. What on earth? I get there was the daily volume balance. I get there was the daily Sibby. I just don't think it's bearish. I don't. Now we've had an internal sweep. I swear. I can't do this right now. Dude, I could not be more offside. First strike to the downside played out beautifully. We even got a retest of the first strike. We're not getting longs. There's no longs that are working. The market is absolutely punishing longs, like to the max. It's crazy. I was not expecting that. I mean, we ended up getting first strike to the downside, and obviously this played out very nicely. Took this good job, I guess. I mean, right down to 4 projections, as we always do. I mean, it's kind of more like 3 project. It's 3.5. We retested it, then we went 4. Dude. Could not have been more offside. This is why I do 1 loss max in a day. I think the trade I took, it was okay if longs would have played out. Obviously, longs did not play out today. They didn't. They obviously didn't. Daily volume balance, daily Sibby, congratulations. You win. I can't believe that 4-hour unmitigated gap didn't hold price. I have 12 minutes left on my live trading window. I don't even know what else to say. It just, I could not have been more offside. Not long. Dude, if this long plays out, I'm trying my best. That's all I can say. I don't think longs are cooked. Longs are not working today. You know, this was a good Spoos opening range though. I thought we were gonna use it. Thought we would. You know, it's reasonable to assume that we could use it. V-shaped IPG. I mean, hey, it could work. I really don't like longs. And this is why no one trades live. This is why they don't do it. Because it's hard. It's hard to trade live. It's hard. I hate tape reading. There's like no satisfaction. There's no, like, you don't get to practice the execution. You don't get to practice any of that. I think we already inversed it. Did we? Wait, let me make sure we inversed it here. Yeah, we did inverse this, so I'm good. Longs, wow. Longs are playing out now? Really? 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 Why now? Like I said, I've been bullish. I've been wanting longs. Guess it's because it's 11 a.m., huh? 11 a.m. reversal. I should have known. 11 a.m. Just reverses price. I don't know. Should have known. Hmm. I don't want to be on the charts anymore. I'm going to end the stream a little early. I don't want to be on the charts anymore. I'm going to end the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What a tricky day. What a tricky day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 11 a.m. reversed. Like, I'm not even surprised. Like, this is honestly, I should have expected this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Just gotta keep going. There's a lesson learned to be learned from this.